Ditch the alarm clock. Automate your morning with these 3 AI tools. Here's exactly how I set it up. Are you tired of waking up to the sound of an alarm clock? Do you want to start your day feeling more refreshed and in control? In this video, we'll show you how to create a personalized morning routine using AI tools. You'll learn how to automate your morning, from waking up to getting ready for work, using Jasper, Notion, and Zapier. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to creating your own AI-powered morning routine. The first step in creating an AI-powered morning routine is to set up a smart wake-up system. This is where Jasper comes in, an AI tool that can analyze your sleep patterns and wake you up during your lightest sleep phase. To get started with Jasper, you'll need to sign up for an account and download the app on your smartphone. Once you've done that, you can connect your wearable device or smartwatch to the app, which will track your sleep patterns and wake you up at the optimal time. For example, if you need to wake up at 7 a.m., Jasper will analyze your sleep data and wake you up between 6:45 a.m. and 7:15 a.m. when you're in your lightest sleep phase. This ensures that you wake up feeling refreshed and energized, rather than groggy and disoriented. I've been using Jasper for a few weeks now, and I can already notice the difference. I wake up feeling more alert and focused, and I'm able to tackle my morning routine with ease. Once you've set up your smart wake-up system, it's time to create a morning routine that works for you. This is where Notion comes in, a versatile AI tool that can help you plan and organize your day. With Notion, you can create a customized morning routine that includes everything from exercise and meditation to breakfast and getting ready for work. For example, you can create a page in Notion that outlines your morning routine, including the time you wake up, the exercises you do, and the breakfast you eat. You can also add reminders and notifications to ensure that you stay on track and don't forget anything important. I use Notion to plan out my morning routine, and it's been a game changer. I can see exactly what I need to do, and I can make adjustments as needed. For instance, if I have a busy day ahead of me, I can add an extra 30 minutes to my morning routine to fit in some extra work or exercise. Now that you've set up your smart wake-up system and created a morning routine, it's time to automate the process using Zapier. Zapier is an AI tool that can connect different apps and services, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. For example, you can use Zapier to connect your Jasper app to your Notion page, so that when you wake up, your morning routine is automatically triggered. You can also use Zapier to connect your Notion page to other apps and services, such as your calendar or email client, so that you can stay organized and on top of your schedule. I use Zapier to automate my morning routine, and it saved me a lot of time and effort. I can focus on more important things like exercising or meditating rather than worrying about what I need to do next. For instance, I've set up a Zap that automatically sends me a reminder to exercise at 7:30 a.m., and another Zap that automatically adds my daily tasks to my calendar. One of the key benefits of using AI tools to automate your morning routine is that it can help you save time and increase productivity. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, you can free up more time to focus on the things that matter most to you. For example, instead of spending 30 minutes each morning planning out your day, you can use Notion to create a customized morning routine that includes everything you need to do. You can also use Zapier to automate tasks such as sending emails or updating your calendar so that you can focus on more important things. I've found that automating my morning routine has saved me at least an hour each day, which I can use to focus on my work or pursue my hobbies. For instance, I've started taking a 30-minute walk each morning, which helps me clear my mind and get ready for the day ahead. Another benefit of using AI tools to automate your morning routine is that it can help you improve your mental and physical health. By creating a customized morning routine that includes exercise, meditation, and healthy eating, you can set yourself up for success and improve your overall well-being. For example, you can use Jasper to wake you up at the optimal time, and then use Notion to create a morning routine that includes a 30-minute workout and a healthy breakfast. You can also use Zapier to automate tasks such as tracking your progress and sending reminders, so that you can stay on track and reach your goals. I've found that automating my morning routine has helped me establish healthy habits and improve my mental clarity. I feel more focused and energized, and I'm able to tackle my day with confidence. In addition to saving time and improving your health, automating your morning routine with AI tools can also help you increase your creativity and productivity. By freeing up more time to focus on the things that matter most to you, you can pursue your passions and interests with greater ease and enthusiasm. For example, you can use Notion to create a morning routine that includes time for writing, drawing, or other creative pursuits. You can also use Zapier to automate tasks such as researching and organizing, so that you can focus on the creative process and bring your ideas to life. I've found that automating my morning routine has given me the freedom to pursue my creative interests, and I've been able to produce more work and achieve my goals. Finally, it's worth noting that automating your morning routine with AI tools is not a one-time process. It's an ongoing journey that requires experimentation and iteration. As you use these tools and refine your routine, you'll likely discover new ways to improve and optimize your process. For example, you may find that you need to adjust your wake-up time or add new tasks to your routine. You can use Notion to track your progress and make adjustments as needed, and you can use Zapier to automate new tasks and workflows. I've found that the key to success is to be patient and flexible, and to continually evaluate and refine my routine as I go. By doing so, I've been able to create a morning routine that works for me, and that helps me achieve my goals and pursue my passions. In conclusion, automating your morning routine with AI tools can be a powerful way to improve your productivity, health, and creativity. By using tools such as Jasper, Notion, and Zapier, you can create a customized morning routine that works for you and that helps you achieve your goals and pursue your passions. Remember to be patient and flexible, and to continually evaluate and refine your routine as you go. With the right tools and mindset, you can create a morning routine that sets you up for success, and that helps you live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. For example, you can use these tools to create a morning routine that includes time for exercise, meditation, and journaling, and that helps you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about automating your morning routine with AI tools, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on using AI to boost your productivity.